Every year, a select few vessels are born that redefine luxury, engineering, and human craftsmanship. They are not merely yachts, but floating palaces, symbols of power, freedom, and precision. Today, we journey inside one of the world's most advanced luxury yacht factories, where production is not driven by mass automation, but by the perfect balance of art and engineering. Every luxury yacht begins with a vision, long before steel is cut or fiberglass is molded, as designers and clients imagine life on the open ocean. Sketches evolve into digital renderings, renderings into detailed 3D simulations, and every curve, deck, window, and cabin is engineered to achieve harmony between beauty, performance, and safety. Engineers test the yacht digitally using advanced modeling software, simulating water resistance, structural stress, electrical systems, and even engine acoustics, because at sea, mistakes are not an option. The hull, the very soul of the yacht, is then constructed from steel, aluminum, or advanced composites, built with millimeter precision and inspected relentlessly to withstand storms and decades of pressure. As the superstructure rises deck by deck, balconies, sun decks, helipads, and panoramic windows bring the vessel to life, followed by the installation of powerful engines, propulsion systems, and stabilizers that define speed, silence, and range. Kilometers of wiring, smart technology, plumbing, and climate systems transform the yacht into an intelligent living space, while master craftsmen install bespoke interiors using Italian leather, rare woods, and hand-cut marble, making every yacht truly one of a kind. The exterior is finished with multiple layers of marine-grade paint, polished to perfection to endure sun, salt, and waves. Before launch, the yacht undergoes extreme quality and safety testing, ensuring every system performs flawlessly. Launch day marks an emotional moment as the yacht touches water for the first time, followed by demanding sea trials that push performance to the limit. Only then is the yacht delivered, not just as a vessel, but as a lifestyle, a statement, and a masterpiece of modern engineering, born from raw materials and transformed into a floating dream.
Ultra power.
You can see here that the temperature gradients indicate potential stress points in the system. We'll need to adjust the parameters to optimize performance.
And it's felt the flyway. I'm just thinking.
Absolutely.
And to make it the pastry to thanking. Machine the man of war. Ironic. Thank you. I'm fired.